Okay, well, I think it's time to check the AM alignment of this radio. So I think, excuse me, I think we need to do a few things here. One is connect the signal to pin number 1, V3, 6BA6, V3, a nice little chart here. V3 would be that guy right there. So let's be this guy, this one right here. Okay. That's this one here. Pin 3. No, it's pin 1. Pin 1. That's pin 1 right there. Pin 1, and I'll put a signal generator to there. Set the signal generator to 455. So we got a signal here of 455 kilohertz. VTVM to point I. Point I. It's going to get a little tricky now. Point A. There's H. K. There. I. Where are you going to find this? I ask. Point I. I. Boy, we're not going to get any other help for this. Switch 2. AM/FM switch. It would be the cable coming off of switch number 1. Right. Let's see if we can find a number up there. I don't see any numbers. The switch looks to be in good shape compared to the last radio. It's a shielded line. Jumped over to 10, something like that. Yeah. Okay, so where's a shielded? Where is there a shielded? Here's one. Oh, here they both are. Okay, well let's perform the AM alignment on this this radio, which is the Electrohome AF-2. There's the name there. Okay, so the first step is a signal is applied to pin 1. So pin 1. And I have it connected down here to the output from my signal generator. Frequency 455, yep, that's where it's set. Dial pointer setting 600. Okay, 600. We have VTVM to point I. This yellow line is point I onto my VTVM. Adjust T7 second AM IF. T7. Okay, the little diagram shows T7. It's going to be a little awkward here. There's T7. A little awkward because of the way I have the radio turned. Okay, let's make sure I identify it properly. T7 is the middle can of the middle row. Middle can of the middle row. Okay, that's easy to see. And what are we adjusting? Slug? Let's see. Yeah, that's what it feels like, alright. So I'm in the slug here. Now, I think we got to turn the radio on though. To get this really working properly. Would also require plugging it right into the power. Now, I am using the isolation transformer. So that means until I connected these two ground connections, the radio is not grounded anywhere relative to the earth or the electric power system neutral. Those two things being connected together all over the place. So that appearance is a fairly important thing in working with this particular radio and others similar to it. There's a warning. Note, chassis is directly connected to the line and an isolation transformer must be used for aligning and testing. Or you have to take other precautions to make sure you don't mix up line and the grounded side of the power system. Okay. Well, no wonder nothing's happening at all. It could be because I haven't even turned the power on, for crying out loud. Okay. There we go. Just go. There's the light bulb just back there. Never mind the light bulb, you should be able to see the voltmeters here. I'm trying to make you fall over. That was my goal there. Here we are. The voltage is down below 100. That's awfully low. Okay, I think we're going to give it full power here. Terrible, that squeal, but maybe that'll go away as we do the alignment. So that's probably the AVC voltage right there. Let's tune the radio and see what it does. Oh no, I can't tune the radio. Let's tune the signal generator. Yeah, very good. And that's a DC. Oh heavens, what happened there? Hello. Not exactly sure what happened there. Okay, well it's a signal generator signal that's causing that. So I'd say yes, we're ready now. So watching that meter. Seem to be in the correct spot. Likewise with that one. Next step, same pin, same tube. No, pin 7 of V6. That static again. So the BE6 is that guy. 12BE6, we have to connect. I'm sorry this is slow, but I have to read this very carefully each step of the way. So we're connecting to pin 7 of that 2, V6. Pin 7. So we're going to come signal off of here. And put it on pin 7. He says, repeating himself over and over. 1, 2, 3, yeah, pin 7. Turn down the signal strength there. Okay. Much stronger, which I guess would be what you would expect. T5. Now I've got to find where T5 is. T5 is center of the 3. It's the loner of the 3. It's this one. Yeah, that one. Wait a minute. Yeah, that one. Right there. Okay, so we're watching the meter. Meter here. Yeah, it's peak dead on. And come down to that one from the top. And check this. Dead on. Very nice peaks on these things. Okay, now we're supposed to comes that noise. You know, I think just from doing that and seeing the quality of those adjustments, it's pretty safe to assume the rest of the radio is properly adjusted. So let's just go ahead and put on a decent antenna. See what we get here. Despite all the crazy noise. Not very satisfactory, is it? Okay, if we try this on FM.
Arctic monkeys. Do one in.
Part of your day feels more awesome by stopping no traffic. Giving it some gas. Nasal and chest congestion, cough and fever with Tylenol Complete. To be sure this product is right for you, upgrade and follow the link. In the cold with a broken furnace, call Direct Energy for no surprise flat rate repair. We'll be there as fast as same day to help you get out of the cold and provide ongoing burn protection.
And here's one last look at the finished Electrohome AM/FM radio. And there it is back in its case. Not too bad looking, actually. Cleaned up pretty nice.